The shifting global order. So we got a newsletter out there about a structural shift, and that we're not really in a normal market cycle when we're talking about global order. And it's really about, that newsletter is about geopolitics, I guess, and the big differences that we see in the polarizing effect, I guess, Trump has on everybody.
Yeah. I think when I read the article, I mean, it's just like every article on that. It's where do you sit? You know, if you dislike Trump, then you would see the article as, you know, good for Canada, but we have to work things out. If you like Trump, it's like, well, Canada's resilient and we're going to make our way out of this. So the geopolitical thing is probably one of the hardest to try and position. How do I manage my portfolio through this? Because, you know, we always tell people you got to keep your fears, your personal feelings out of your and emotions out of your investing. Well, geopolitical things can really ratchet up the fear and ratchet up the feelings. So I think it's whether you see a broadening of the markets, meaning, you know, less money to the United States and the rest around the world. I mean, you would adjust your portfolio accordingly. But you look at since 1989. I mean, it's the U.S. market share of GDP has grown. The economies that have shrunk are Canada, Great Britain, Europe. China's grown, Hong Kong's grown, Asia's grown, and the U.S. has grown. So it kind of reflects on that, has some geopolitical implications there too. So, you know, when to rotate your portfolio is difficult when just basing it on geopolitical.